Hey everyone, here's a new recap video, this time on gold. The previous video was on ultra bonds for today, Monday, 10th of October 2022. And this is the recap of gold. I really like to trade gold because gold just moves. Gold has nice moves on the breakout of value area, but also on the rotations inside the value area. If you trade outside to inside of value, or you trade the breakout. I like gold maybe a little bit more than bonds because the waves, the moves are just bigger and you can get more profit, more ticks on gold than on bonds, but bonds really is respecting its own structure. That is something I really like about ultra bonds, but on gold we see similar interaction and just a little bit bigger moves, some more moves also during the trading sessions. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys. This is the 3-minute chart. I set it to 3 minutes on gold just to show you, to give you a better idea where the value area was. Value area mid of yesterday. I mark it with my red line. Value area low, this one here of yesterday. This is based on the profile from yesterday. Value area high of yesterday. So this area, let me mark it. This area is your value area from yesterday. I want to know where price is based on this area. And I want to know where price is based on current value. Now, to give you an idea, this is the 3-minute chart. You can easily see price opened in Asia in the lower part of the value area of the profile of yesterday, and it directly broke out previous to the open of Germany, Frankfurt, and then London. Asia broke out and it made a low, Asia range low, purple line on my chart, all automated. And this gold line, that gold line that's moving here, is the current day developing value area. Here, value area high, you can see it here, developing value area high. Okay, this thing moves also because it's developing of current day. The one from yesterday, it's closed, finished, so we have static values of that yesterday profile. I want to know where price is based on that profile from yesterday and today. I start trading from London open and I just look where is price. You can look at a time chart. Don't use too high chart settings because you don't want to miss out on some clear structure. When I go back to the 1 minute, for gold I like to use 1 minute, same as ultra bonds. And let me show you. This is the open of Frankfurt here. This is the open of London. I start looking for trades around here. I'm already on my PC, of course, before the market opens. I know a few things, and this is something I mark on my chart. I don't need big long-term analysis. I look where price is, I write it down on my chart, and that's what I'm looking for. In this case, gold, GC below value area low. Here. And yesterday's value area, yes. This is value area low of yesterday. So we are below the profile from yesterday. So I want to see price continuing to the downside or holding structure and continuing back into the profile of yesterday. This is possible. There are two outcomes. But because we are below yesterday's profile and we are here before Frankfurt, we are below the current day value, I'm looking primarily for short. So the current day value area switched and price is inside value area of today. Two things can happen. In this case, it made a double bottom for a move up. I took this long to the upside. When you're in this trade, I don't know how far this thing will gonna move up, if it's gonna move up all the way to the VWAP or not. We can only wait and manage our trailing stop based on what price shows us. But overall, I'm looking for shorts. I just see value area changing and price rejecting it again, where it did here. It did before, and on the open it did again. It rejected this Asia level, purple line, and the value area low. So I took this long, 25 ticks. I could have taken 26, 27 maybe. I took 25 ticks, and then we got chop, chop, chop. So I closed it. Why? Because I don't see follow-up. Oh, wrong one. I don't see follow-up above the previous high. Lower high, sorry, lower high, maybe this, no, not really a lower high. Lower high, this is the high. This is really a lower high, right? This isn't really a lower high. This is just a high. No worries, no problem. This thing is moving down, as we can see. And this high isn't breaking this side to the upside. So we see no follow-up to the upside. The structure shows us. That's it. You don't need indicators, expensive indicators showing you delta or whatever. You don't need it. The structure shows us, okay, I'm not going past this high. Okay. And then we just wait for new structure. We see a lower high. Maybe you could enter on this one. I did not. I took here this one on my Renko entry chart, and I took this one. Why am I taking shorts? Because price is showing me I am staying below the yesterday's value area. I am staying below the current day value area. In this case, well, the value area moved along with us to the downside. So it was not really breaking out, only here a little bit. And the value area moved along with us. Some days we see this. So price keeps in value but keeps moving down with structure. Some days we see this. Or this thing can break out and value area stays like here. And you see price really breaking out. Many days we see something like that. That's no problem. It was very clear for me to look for shorts based on that information. This is the Renko chart. This is more clear for the eyes. This is what I like to trade. Here I take my entries. You see, pretty clear, this is a Renko with Heikin Ashi on it. I like the wicks of Heikin Ashi and the dodgies. We see the same stuff. I added even a position. I was in this long here. I even added a position here. But this thing didn't work out. One time try, 2, 3, 4 times. Four times it tried to move higher, but it failed. So what's gonna happen? Boom. It fails. It moves down to our support. I didn't take this trade because why? Because of boom, this thing is moving down. I could have taken it. I did not do it because I'm anticipating for this. I want to see price making lower highs, lower lows, so I can enter on that structure. I didn't take this one. It was possible. I sit this thing out, but I took this one. Retest, pull back here, another short. And then I had 3 trades, 3 winning trades on gold. So I didn't even take this one because these were also very interesting. Nice double top, pushing down again. And then we see 1 time, 2 times, 3 times fail. Damn it. 3 times fail. 3 times fail to move lower. 3 times fail to move lower and rejecting the value area low, this golden line. So from here on, you might look for longs. Scalp here, but overall pressure is still to the downside. Where did we rotate it to the downside? Here, this previous small range, and we dropped again. So This might be interesting too long, but I didn't take it. We are looking for longs, looking for shorts, simple shorts from based on structure. We are below yesterday's profile. That's what we're looking for. Keep it simple, and you can swing those moves. 26 ticks on gold is a good trade for me, but I really want to take a minimum of 15 ticks on gold based on 3 to 5 contracts. A small trade, very small trade, is like 10 ticks, but most trades I aim for 15 or more, and the most breakouts we see on gold are the big moves are 50, 60 ticks, sometimes more, and some moves like this, right? If this thing moved all the way back to VWAP, that was what I was hoping for. That's almost like 40 ticks, I believe. And 98.4 and 93, let's say 93.4. Yeah, that's 50 ticks. This is already 50 ticks, right? So 50 ticks, that's one trade, and you're done for the day. This case I took 25, and here I took, I believe, 18, and here something like 20. So I was done for today. Don't have a too high daily target, guys. So you can win some, you can lose some. If your daily target is too high, you're really pushing yourself. Just wait for price to show you what it's gonna do. Does it gonna break outside of value or stay inside? You will see soon enough. So this is my way of trading. This was today on gold, 1 minute chart again. If you have any questions, just hit me up on my Discord. I have a free group and a members group, and the members have some more access to training videos on my strategy and the tools I use. I also have developed these tools myself, so you can use those also. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. You don't need expensive tools to trade, just profile with some profile metrics. That is what you need. So if you have any questions, just hit me up on my Discord. See you later, guys.